This video will show you how you can fix your USB drive if when you plug it into your car trying to play music, it doesn't work or it gives you an error message. So what you need to do is plug in your USB drive into your computer. Once you've plugged it in, go to the File Explorer, then scroll down, go to this PC, and then find your USB drive. Now the chances are you've got all of your music on there. Now if you're having any issues, it's probably because of this reason that I'm about to explain. Before we fix it though, if you haven't got any backups of your music, what I suggest you do is highlight all of the music from your USB drive, right click on it, click on copy, and then go to your computer, somewhere like your desktop, right click and create a new folder. And we're just going to back up all of the songs to the folder. To do that, we open the new folder, we right click inside it and then click on paste. Now we've pasted our music from the USB drive to our computer. So now let's go back to File Explorer. We'll go back to this PC and here you can see your USB drive. You want to right click on it and click Format. By default, it's probably not going to be on FAT32. It might be on NTFS or exFAT. Make sure you click FAT32, then click Start. What this will do is it will erase all of the data on your USB drive. So again, make sure you've backed it up to the folder like I just showed you. Click OK and it will format your USB. Now we can get the music back onto the USB drive. So we can keep this window open. You can then open the other folder. This is going to be the folder you backed up your music to. You can then again highlight all of it, copy it from your computer, and just put it back onto your drive by right clicking and then clicking paste. You can now go to the arrow in the bottom right hand corner. You can right click on your USB device, then click eject, and now go and plug it back into your car.